profit. Chani has prepared her draft financial statements for the year ended 30 April 20X7 and needs to adjust them for the following items. 1. Rent of $2,625 was paid and recorded on 2 January 20X6 for the period 1 January to 31 December 20X6. The landlord has advised that the annual rent for 20X7 will be $3,000, although it has not been invoiced or paid yet. 2. Property and contents insurance is paid annually on 1 March. Chani paid and recorded $1,500 on 1 March 20X7 for the year from 1 March 20X7 to 28 February 20X8. What should the net effect on profit be in the draft financial statements for the year ended 30 April 20X7 of adjusting for the above items? Answer. Rent accrual, $30,000 times 4 divided by 12, minus $1,000. Insurance prepayment, $1,500 times 10 divided by 12, $1,250. Net increase in profit, $250. Journal entry on 1 March 20X7. Debit insurance expense, $1,500. Credit cash, $1,500. Adjusting entry on 30 April 2027. Debit prepayment, $1,250. Credit insurance expense, $1,250.